Hey guys, welcome to the Catway. So in this video, we are going to solve a LRTI set. So before I begin, I would like to thank all the people who have joined us, and a Facebook group link is there in the description below. Now let's roll in for the video. So the question says that Sid was playing with a common balance. He had exactly n wooden blocks numbered 1 to n, with each block having a different weight. He also had two boxes labeled box A and box B. He placed the block numbered 1 on one side of the balance and the block number 2 on the other side. If the block 1 was lighter than the first block was lighter than the second block, he placed the first block in box A. If the first block was heavier than the second block, he placed the first block in box B. Okay, so that means whatever block he is comparing, if that particular block, that is, he will always compare. One thing is sure, that he will always compare 1 with 2, 2 with 3, 3 with 4. Okay, so every block which is a lower number block, its fate will be decided, that whether it will go in box A or box B will be decided based on the weight of the block numbered just above it. Okay, that is 2, fate of 2 will be decided because of 3. Okay, if it is heavier than 3, it will go in box B. If it is lighter than 3, it will go in box A. Similarly, for box 3, it will be decided, block 3, it will be decided on the basis of block 4. Okay, so this is what it is. Let's move ahead. He then weighed the second block against the third block and continued the process. That is, if the second block was lighter than the third block, he placed it in box A. Otherwise, he placed the second block in box B. In this manner, after each weighing, he placed the lower number block into box A or box B until he placed all the blocks that he had except for the last one. So for the last one, we cannot say anything, because let's say the number is 10. So for 10, for deciding the fate of 10, whether it will go in box A or box B, we need to have a block number 11. But if we do not have that, so we cannot say anything about block number 10. We will only be able to identify for block 1 to block 9. Okay, so this is what the question is. Now we cannot do anything as of now, so let us move towards the questions. So the first question says that if n is equal to 7 and the block numbered floor is the only block in box B, then which of the following can be true? Now, which of the following can be true means, if there is a possibility, even a slightest possibility, that this a particular option can be true, we are going to mark that option. Okay, because we cannot be certain, but if there is a possibility, we will mark it. So for n is equal to 7 and block 4 is there in box B. Okay, so that means when he was comparing 1 to 2, he found out that 1 is lighter than 2, because that's the reason that 1 went into box A. Comparing 2 and 3, he found that 2 is lighter than 3, that's why 2 went into box A. Comparing 3 with 4, he found that 3 is lighter than 4, that's why 3 went into box A. Comparing 4 and 5, he found that 4 is heavier than 5. Okay, that's why 4 went into box B. Now comparing 5 with 6, he found that 5 is lighter than 6, because that is why 5 went to box A. And comparing 6 with 7, he found that 6 is lighter than 7, and that's the reason that block number 6 went into box A. Okay, for 7 we cannot say anything, because that's the last one we have. So because we have already been told that except for the last one, because for the last one we cannot find anything. Okay, now let's check the options. Okay, according to the options we'll identify it. Okay, now the first option says that the block number 6 is the second heaviest. How can block number 6 be the second heaviest? The only possible case is that if 7 is the heaviest, then there comes 6. Okay, that's the only case possible, because we are definite that 7 is heavier than 6. Okay, so see, to this to happen, we have to check if there is a possibility that 6 can be heavier than 4. So let us check out that possibility. So see, we know that 6 is heavier than 5. Okay, we know that 6 is heavier than 5, and we also know that 4 is also heavier than 5. But we do not have any, sorry guys, but we do not have any direct relation between 6 and 4. So we can say that there can be a possible case where 6 is heavier than 4, because let's take some examples. Let's take example and let's see this. See, let's say block number 4 weighs 50 kgs. Okay, block number 5 weighs 40 kgs. Block 6 weighs 55 kgs and block 7 weighs 60 kgs. Okay, now when he was comparing 4 to 5, he will put 4 into box B, because 4 is heavier than 5. While comparing 5 with 6, he found that 5 is lighter than 6. Okay, but see, now the case has arisen. It is a possible case that 6 being 55 6 can also go into box B, because when we will compare for 6, it will be compared to 7, and if 7 is 60, then 6 will also go into box A, and similarly 5 also went to box A. So there can be a possible case. See, there is no contradiction here. Okay, so what we can say is that there can be a possible case where 6 is heavier than 4, because there is no direct relation between the two of them. So we can definitely say that 6 can be heavier than 4. We cannot be certain about that, but since the question has been asked that which of the following can be true, so even if there is a slight possibility, we will consider that option. So what we can say is that option number A can be true. But because our option number D is that more than one of the above, we will have to check for option B and C also. Okay, so let's check for that. Now come to option B. It says that the block number 5 is the third heaviest. Third heaviest it is saying. Now what are we certain is that, see, we are certain that 7 is heavier than 6. We are certain that 6 is heavier than 5. Okay, but we are also certain that 4 is heavier than 5. So that means there are 3 blocks who are definitely heavier than 5. Okay, so while arranging in order of heaviest, 5 can never come here, because let's say even if 4 comes here or 7 comes here, 4 comes here or 6 comes here, whatever is the case, 5 can never come here, because this position will be occupied by either 4 or it will be occupied by 6. Okay, that is 100% sure. So we can say that this option can never be true. Okay, so let's cross it. Come to the third one. The third one says that the block number 7 is the third heaviest. So block number 7 is the third heaviest. Okay, so let's check what can a possible case of this can arise or not. So if block is number 7 is the third heaviest, that means 7 is going to come here, that means 6 is going to come over here, and 5 is going to come over here. That is for sure. Okay, Acha, now two of them have to be heavier than this. Okay, so one of them can be 4. The reason behind that is that we know that 7 is heavier than 6 is heavier than 5, but 4 is heavier than 5. Okay, we are sure about that. So there can be a possibility, as we took in the last case, that 6 can be heavier than 4. We can take a possible case that 4 is heavier than 7, because there is nothing mentioned between about the relation between 4 and 7. So we can take that fact that 4 is heavier than 7. Now we have to see if one more block can come. Now that block cannot be 1 or 2. The reason behind that is that 1 and 2 are 1 and 2 are lighter than block number 3. So the only block which can come here is block number 3. So for that, if you have to check it, what you will do is we will assign some values to them. We will assign the values according to our because what we have to do, that we have to make 3 heavier than 7. So we will assign values according to that, and we will see if there is any contradiction or not. So let's say weight of 4 is 50 and weight of 3 is 45. Let's say just take an example. Okay, weight of 7 let's take 40, weight of 6 let's take 35, and weight of 5 let us take as let's say it is 30. Okay, acha, while we were comparing 3 with 4, we found that 3 is lighter than 4. Okay, so 3 went into box A. While comparing 4 and 5, we found that 4 is heavier than 5, so 4 went into box B. While comparing 5 and 6, we found that 5 is lighter than 6, so 5 went over here. And comparing 6 and 7, we found that 6 is lighter than 7, so 6 also went in box A. For 7, we cannot say anything. So going by this condition, by checking this, there was no contradiction. Okay, we did not come across any issue regarding whatever we wanted to make it happen. Okay, so we did not face any issue with that. So that means this case can also be a possible case, because we have checked it and there were no contradictions. Okay, so we can say that this is a possible case, that number 3 can come over here and it can be heavier than 7, and in that case 7 can be the third heaviest one. Okay, so what we can say is that option C can also be correct. So that means the final correct answer will be option number D, because that is more than one of the above. Let us move towards the question number 2. So question number 2 says that if it is known that n is equal to 10. Okay, it is known that n is equal to 10 and the block numbered 1, 4, 5 and 6 are the only blocks in box A. Further, the block number 7 is the fourth heaviest. Okay, so let's see what we can do regarding that. So it has been said that n is equal to 10, and in box A which ones are there? 1, 4, 5 and 6, and block 7 fourth heaviest. Okay, so let us find out what will happen. Okay, box A. Acha. So if 1 is in box A, that means what we can say is that 1 is lighter than 2. If 2 is in box B, that means we can say that 2 is heavier than 3. With 3 coming in box B, we can say that 3 is heavier than 4. With 4 coming in box A, we can say that 4 is lighter than 5. Okay. With 5 coming in box A, we can say that 5 is lighter than 6. 6 coming in box A, we can say that 6 is lighter than 7. 7 coming in box B, we can say that 7 is heavier than 8. 8 coming in box 9, we can say that 8 is heavier than 9. And 10 coming in box B, we can say that 9 is heavier than, sorry, we cannot say anything about 10. So about 9, because 9 is in box B, so we can say that 9 is heavier than 10. About 10, we cannot say anything. Okay, so this is one thing. Acha. Now what we know is because 7 is the fourth heaviest one. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 7 is the fourth heaviest one. Okay. Acha, what we know is if we combine all of them, what we know is that 7 is heavier than 8, which is heavier than 9, which is heavier than 10. Okay, this is what we know. We know that 7 is we know that 7 is also heavier than 6. Okay, and we also know that 6 is heavier than 5. We also know that 5 is heavier than 4. Okay, these are the things which we are certain about. When we are combining all of this, these are two equations which we get, that 7 is heavier than 8, 8 is heavier than 9, 9 is heavier than 10, 7 is heavier than 6, 6 is heavier than 5, 5 is heavier than 4. So that means we have found, there, see, the total number of blocks were 10. Out of that there are 6 which are going to be lighter than 7. So we have found all the 6 of them, that is 6, 5, 4 and 7, 8 and 9. We have found the 6 of them. So that means the remaining 3 which are there, that is the box number 1, box number 2 and box number 3. Okay, the relation between them is given by 1 is less than 2 and 2 is greater than 3. Okay, so these are the ones, these 3 boxes which are going to occupy these 3 positions. Okay, acha, from this one thing is what we can say, that because 1 is lighter than 2 and 2 is heavier than 3, we can say that 2 will be the heaviest one. Also we know that in position of 2 and 3 they will come 1 or 3 in any order. Okay, after that, after 7 there will be 8, 9, 10 who will occupy one position, that is in that order. 8 will be heavier than 9, 9 will be heavier than 10, and there will be 6, 5, 4 where 6 will be heavier than 5, 5 will be heavier than 4. We do not know the exact position of any one of them. Okay, so now let us move towards the options. Let's see what has been said. So it has been asked that which of the following is definitely true. Okay, so talking about definitely true, it is said that the block number 5 is the 6th heaviest. Okay, 6th heaviest. See, block number 5 can be 6th heaviest if this is the case, that the 5th one is 6 and the 6th one is 5. Okay, it is a possible case, but the question has asked us that which of is definitely true. So we cannot say that this case is going to be definitely true, because we know that, see, because 6 and 5 can come together, they do not have any issue, and we have 2 places, so we can fill them there. But the problem here is that 8, 9 can also come in 2 consecutive places. Okay, and we do not know that we do not know whether 6 or 8 who is heavier. We cannot say anything about that, because we do not know that. They are two different things. So it is a possibility that 8 and 9 will come here, and then 10 will come, and then 6, 5, 4 will come. This will also be a correct case. So in this case 5 will be occupying the 9th heaviest one. Okay, so in this case, so from this what we can say is that this, the option number A, it is a possible case, but it is not a definite case. Okay, so we can cancel out this option. Come to option number B. It says that block number 1 is heavier than block number 8. Now see, we have already found out that block number 1, 2 and 3 are heavier than 7 and 7 is heavier than 8. This thing is 100% true. Okay, so 1, 2 and 3 are heavier than 7, 7 is heavier than 8. So if it says that block 1 is heavier than 8, this thing is going to be definitely true, and we have also seen here also that 1 is going to occupy either second heaviest or third heaviest, and 8th is definitely going to come after 4. So this is one thing which we can definitely say, that block number 1 is heavier than block number 8. So we can directly mark our answer, because definitely true has been asked, and the fourth option is none of the above. but we have already found out a definite answer, so we can directly mark it. Okay, we do not need to check any other case. Come to the third question. The third question says that it is known that n is equal to 10 and the blocks numbered 1, 4, 5, 6 are the only blocks in box A. Further, the block numbered 7 is the fourth heaviest. So it's the same question which has been repeated, just the thing which has been asked is which is the heaviest block. So for the heaviest block, we have already found out that 2 is going to be the heaviest block. So we can directly answer the question that the answer is going to be option number C, that is block number 2 is going to be the heaviest block. So with this, the set is completed. I hope you have understood this set well, guys. Thanks for watching the video.